Move over oatmeal, there's an even healthier grain that has over 12 nutrients and minerals and is technically not even a grain. What is it? Come on, let me show you. So quinoa is actually a seed, but it's considered a pseudo grain because although it's a seed, it has just as many nutrients and is eaten like cereal grains. Quinoa was first grown in the Andes Mountains over 7,000 years ago. That's a long time. The majority of quinoa is grown in Bolivia and Peru, and is evident in many dishes in those countries. Today we're doing a double application of quinoa. First, we're going to be making a Peruvian porridge, which is just like eating oatmeal but much healthier and much tastier. And we're going to be serving that with a quinoa granola. Oh yeah, let's get started. First, let's make the quinoa granola. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of white quinoa, 1 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup each pumpkin and sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup shredded coconut, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix to combine. In a saucepan, add 1/2 cup of brown sugar, light or dark, it doesn't matter. 1/4 cup pure maple syrup, make sure it's pure, you really want that maple flavor. And 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Heat until the sugar has melted and it becomes a thick glaze. Pour half of the mixture and stir to combine. Then add the remaining half and mix until thoroughly incorporated. Now we're adding 2 tablespoons each dried dates, dried cranberries, and dried raisins. You can add these after the granola is baked, but I like to add it before because it makes the dried fruit get plump. Mix to combine. Place granola on a greased baking sheet. You can also line the pan with parchment paper. Spread out for even heat distribution. Place granola in a preheated 300-degree oven for 40 minutes, stirring the granola in between. In a large saucepan set over low heat, add 4 cups of whole milk. You can also use soy, oat, or almond milk. Add cinnamon sticks, star anise, whole cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Simmer on low for 10 minutes. Then add 1 cup of the quinoa and stir. Cook on low heat for 20 minutes or until the quinoa is cooked through. After 20 minutes and the quinoa has soaked up most of that milk, add sugar, butter, and vanilla extract. Stir to combine. Set the heat to medium and allow porridge to become thick and creamy. After 40 minutes, take the granola out of the oven and set aside to cool. Now this quinoa granola can be kept up to 6 months in an airtight container like a mason jar or other storage container. Oh my God. Anyway, let's plate up our quinoa porridge. Now this serves 4, but I'm really hungry. Top with the quinoa granola. And drizzle with a little bit of that maple syrup. Oh, check that out. That's what I call a breakfast of champions. There you have it, quinoa porridge with a quinoa granola. Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, smash that like button and click to subscribe so you can stay up to date on all new content. And remember, food can look good, but if it doesn't taste good, then your cooking is in vain. So make it sabroso.